Hello, welcome students, welcome to another day of class. Today is an amazing day, a very wonderful day that God has provided us. And we're going to start our science class. What happened? Oh my God, is that the police? No, it is not. It's an ambulance. So today we are going to talk about some accidents and first aid. So let's go to learn new things about science class. Okay. Today is Tuesday, August 11, 2020, and we are going to learn some amazing things about accidents and the first aid. But first, copy the date in your notebook. Today is Tuesday, August 11, 2020. Copy in your notebook the date. After you finish, you're going to learn new things on book page 74. So in your science book, this one, on page 74, we are going to have to find some information about accidents and first aid. Okay, so let's start. First, here I have the places where I can find or where we can have some accidents. Places where unexpected accidents can happen. Why unexpected? Because we are not waiting for accidents. So they happen just because they have to happen. Because they are accidents. So they are not things that are in our mind. They are just things that happen. And what places does the accidents can happen? On the street. Yes, on the street. Also at home. And another place at school. And the other one place is at work. So we have there 4 different places where accidents can happen. Copy this information in your notebook, please. Then we're going to learn a little bit more about that. Continue page 74. We are going to read some information. So, at home. What type of accidents can occur at home, or what type of things do we should avoid at home? Do not play with bottles, soap, or medicines, like in the picture. Avoid medicines or electrical cord, and also avoid sharp objects and avoid fire and hot objects. At school, what objects do we should avoid or be careful with? Okay, there must be always a first aid kit and also with the necessary medication. You have to be careful using what? Scissors and pencils. And in the community, what should we have to be careful, or what should we avoid in the community? You should always walk on the street accompanied by an adult. And also, we must all respect traffic signals. Like in the picture, you have to respect all those signals, and you should always walk the street accompanied with an adult. Something that is very extremely important is do not talk to strangers. You have to be very careful. You don't have to talk with people that you don't know who are they. And then we have the most common accidents. The common accidents are poisonings. You can poison yourself with food or with medicine or with some things like chloro or soaps and all those things. So you have to be careful with that. Also burns and fracture. Look, you don't want your skin be burned, so you have to be extremely careful with hot things. And another common accident is asphyxiation. So that can occur with plastic bags or another things like those. Now, what you're going to do is that in your notebook, you're going to copy your homework. So, what is your homework? Investigate the names of places of medical attention that can be found in your community. So you're going to ask to your mother or to your father or someone who lives with you for names of places of medical attentions that you can find near to your house. And that was everything for today's class. Please keep safe at home. Please be careful with everything. Blessings for the Lord. Hugs and kisses. See you on the next class.